How to fix Messenger edit message feature not showing. For this, first and foremost, go ahead and open up your Messenger application. So edit message feature is the newly updated feature on Messenger. You can just tap and hold a message, then tap on the more option from where you have to tap on edit. From here, you can easily go ahead and edit the message you recently sent. If you have a new updated version of Messenger, you can find the edit option right here in this box as well. So if you do not have this feature, first and foremost, press and hold the Messenger app to head to app info. Force stop it, then go to storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Once you do with this, open up your Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. Then in the search bar, search for Messenger application. In here, we'll be checking for an update. If there was an update bubble, simply tap on update and leave it for an update, or try by uninstalling the application and reinstalling it once again. On to the next step. You can exit from a Play Store or App Store. Then open up your phone settings. From here, you have to scroll down and tap on System Update. Now make sure that your device is also up to date with the latest version so that it can support the updated feature of Messenger as well. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.